What's up, my Pungios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over some awesome technology here. This is a 360-degree privacy screen allowing you for protection from onlookers above, below, left, and right. Most privacy screens only give you that lateral, but you can tilt and you can pan. You get 360 protection, which is kind of like a cone emanating out from your phone. With that said, the folks at WSKEN did provide this to me complimentary and sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. We're going to unbox this, demonstrate it, install it, and show you what you get yourself into. Moving my iPhone 17 Pro Max off to the side. This is available on 16 Pro Max as well, and all of the other 17 line. You've got this really nice patented applicator that makes it easy to be able to install, and then you have all of the necessary installation and packaging here to be able to do it. It comes with two pieces, which I think is fantastic. Okay, the first step here is we're gonna go ahead and place our phone inside of the applicator. We're gonna hit it with some cleaning. We can wipe it off here with the microfiber. It's gonna get rid of the oil. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab the screen protector, peel off this little foam piece. It's going to be placed in these two holes here. You wanna first put the little flaps at the bottom, and then you're gonna go ahead and place the little tabs on the top. That's gonna give you the stretch that you need. And then we're gonna go ahead here and close the unit, allowing you the applied pressure. And then you're gonna go ahead and hold it with one hand and peel it off slowly. It doesn't take a lot of pressure or strain, and that's going to give you a nice adherence. And then you're gonna go ahead and hold it down here from the back and pull it. This roller is going to roll against it and applying the screen protector on there. Then we push the roller back, lift up the lid, and now we can peel off that top piece, giving you a very repeatable, very accurate and precise application of your phone with privacy screen. That is nice. You can see that it does have this layer on the top, giving you some anti-reflection, but let's go ahead and show off the 360 degrees. Directly on, you can see it, and then it's gone from the left, now from the right. Bring it back to the center, it's gone to the bottom as well as the top, giving you 360-degree protection here. Even in those corners, it's almost like a cone that's emanating from the center, giving you that full protection and all the way around the entirety of the phone. I think that's magnificent. You can throw it back into your phone case. You can see here, you've got no problem being able to have this added to your daily as a nice 360 protection. With that said, as you can see here, WSKEN does an awesome job giving you a 360-degree protection all the way around the entirety of your phone, showing you here that you've got protection in the corners, the bottom, and the top. It's just pretty amazing technology here to show off. With that said, the folks at WSKEN provided this to me complimentary and sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.